Most drumming that we do to play beats or fills and just to play music basically is largely linear where the notes don't land together. And at most, our strongest limb will land with one of the other three, basically only one at a time. Now, the more we do that, the more used to it we get, and the more difficult it becomes for us to have other forms of musical expression that require odd limb pairs to be put together or weaker limbs to be in the lead. And it takes potentially years to be able to wire yourself to do that, and most of us just give up. Until now. Rhythm Knowledge 4 is here, and it's available. Get your coordination right from day one. This allows for some pretty unbelievable, previously absolutely impossible things to actually occur with multi-limb pair switching on a dime. So you don't have to go to that level, but just get it right from day one.